Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Apple QuickTime Player for Windows 10. Type QuickTime Player in browser search bar. Click QuickTime Player. Click QuickTime. Click Download. Open completed download file. Click Next. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Yes to continue. Click Finish. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.